Hiya, thanks for joining us. We've just arrived by train and you're right on time to have a look around Pitlochry with us. This railway station was opened in 1863 and sits on the main line between Perth and Inverness. It's a wonderful Scottish Tudor style station that has been carefully preserved and welcomes you to this beautiful town situated on the south side of the Cairngorms National Park. Carries on, most people head to the main street, but we're going to go the other way out of the station, past the Pavilion and down towards the River Tummel. This is the iron suspension bridge linking Pitlochry with the hamlet of Pitlochry across the river. It was opened on Empire Day in 1913 and forms part of the Rob Roy Way, a long distance walk through the Scottish Highlands. Further upstream is the famous dam, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's cross the bridge, which wobbles as you walk. At the halfway point you'll really see the majesty of the Tummel River. Pitlochry is really characterful with its single-storey cottages, and here you'll find one of the best beer gardens in the world at the Fisherman's Bar. Right behind is the modern Festival Theatre building, which opened in 1981, but performances began here way back in 1951 under canvas as the Theatre in a Tent. There's no missing Pitlochry Dam, that's for sure. The Visitors Centre welcomes you and offers a free museum where you can learn about the dam and hydroelectric power across Scotland. There's also a cafe and an amazing viewing deck giving fantastic views of the dam. And of course you can walk across the dam, which is a great experience and really gives you a sense of the scale of the structure. Operational from 1952, it has continued to play a vital role in electricity generation for Scotland ever since. Don't lean out too far though. Also here is the fish ladder, where if you're lucky you'll see salmon leaping up the steps. But no luck for us today. We're now heading up to the main street, and along the way pass by the old armoury. You can stay here if you want. The putting green is a tempting distraction too, even in the rain. Pitlochry's main street is a wonderful mix of characterful buildings, offering a mix of bars, restaurants, cafes and shops. Dominating the street is the famous Fisher's Hotel. Welcoming guests since 1839, it's a great place to stay or enjoy a meal. Just back from the main street is the Old Mill Inn. Dating back to the 18th century, it still has a working water wheel and serves award-winning food in another wonderful garden. Walking further down the main street, we pass the War Memorial and the Garden of Remembrance behind, a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made during the two world wars. A slight detour off the main street and we find the Alexander Duff Memorial Cross and the Pitlochry Parish Church. Completed in 1884, it's a mix of Romanesque, Gothic and Byzantine styles. But let's get back on the main street and pass a beautiful floral display by the Rotary Club, and then further on the Tourist Information Building. Here we are at the Pitlochry Baptist Church, a building from 1884 designed by Crombie of Edinburgh. And now this grand gatehouse welcomes us to the grounds of Athol Palace. Take a moment to visit the Japanese-inspired garden, a peaceful place with a stream running through it. And a wonderful giant sequoia tree in the middle, supposedly planted in 1880. Today it stands tall and proud, and has squidgy bark. The palace building has welcomed guests since 1874. and today offers an opulent Highland welcome with traditional decor and guest services. There is also a little known free museum about the hotel's history in the basement. It's open to guests and visitors alike and tells the story of the building and its checkered past. It's a truly remarkable building, and even the servants' quarters house is impressive. Just under the railway line, and we approach the Holy Trinity Church. First dedicated in 1858, you can find a Commonwealth grave here, as well as the grave of Sir Robert Watson Watt, inventor of the speed radar gun. There is a calming stream running through as well, and a peaceful serenity garden. But it seems like Peter the Fairy wasn't at home today. We are at our final stop, Blair Athol Distillery, home of the world-famous Bell's Whisky. This distillery was founded in 1798. Now owned by Diageo, it still produces whisky today and sits astride the Kinnaird Burn. Here you can join a distillery tour, browse the excellent gift shop, or relax at the Mash Tun Bar. And this is where we say goodbye for today. Thanks for coming around Pitlochry with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. But that's all for today though. See you next time.